In this video, I'm going to describe how we've laid out a static struct. So in the code that I presented in the reading, we see that we have a struct and that we have statically allocated the struct. And then what I've done here is I have printed out the base address of the struct. Then I've printed out the address of the int and the value, as well as the data and the structure of the float and the data and the structure of the double. Now, because they're statically allocated, the operating system can access them directly, just like we would do if we were accessing a register. So notice in the printout initially, and I'm going to copy the printout and then use this to draw the full-on structure. So we see here that we have the initial structure. And notice how these two addresses are the same. This means that on the stack, we have the initial value, and then notice how 4 bytes later, because that's the size of the int, that's where we have the float. And then 4 bytes later, because that's the size of the float, we have the double. Now, if it was the other way around, it would be 8 and then 0, because the double is the size of 8. But let's draw this out for simplicity. So this would be 0x0b0 with 14. This would be 0x0b4 with 22.7. And this is 0x0b8 with 9.2.